Hello, I'm here at Black Friars Pier ready to attend Jay Baptiste Boat Party, where I'm gonna find out who can give the best. Melissa! I'm drunk and outside. So come with me and let's find out together. Love you.
I lost control. My feet.
Hi Jay,
I'm good, man. What you lot saying?
how's it going?
Yeah, it's good, man. The weather's nice. The vibes is nice. Can't complain. We're drunk and we're outside. You understand?
Right, so as you know, we're getting everyone to do Melissa I'm drunken outside. But it won't be a video if we didn't get you to do it.
Yeah, I'm down, man.
Right, okay, on three. 1, 2, 3. Melissa, I'm drunk and outside.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's the original version.
Where's the real love? Baby, does it exist? Show me what it feels that I please let go.
One, two, three.
Melissa! I'm drunk and outside.
Cause I need to.
Right, so I'm here with.
Angie.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, you?
You having a good day?
Oh, amazing.
Amazing, yeah. Everything. Okay, so. Do you know Jay's song, Melissa I'm drunk outside?
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone knows it.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you give me your best? Melissa I'm drunk outside.
I'm not fun.
Oh, it doesn't matter. And you're outside. So you got horse on. Okay, right. So on the count of 3, you can do it.
What am I saying? I'm drunk and I'm outside.
Melissa I'm drunk outside.
Oh, shit.
1,
Oh, no.
2, 3.
Melissa, I'm drunk and outside, Benjan.
My feelings.
Okay, so I'm here with. Hello, how you doing?
I'm good.
Good, good. Right. Do you reckon you can give me your best? Melissa I'm drunk outside.
Yeah.
Okay, right. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Melissa, I'm drunk and outside.
My feelings. You.
Okay, so I'm here with.
Antonia.
You have any name?
Fantastic.
Good, right. So do you know Jay's song, Melissa I'm drunk outside? Okay, can you do your best? Melissa I'm drunk outside.
I'll try.
On 3.
I'm fine.
1, 2, 3.
Melissa, I'm drunk and outside.
Yeah.
Baby, does it exist? Show me what it feels that I please let go. My feelings.
So I'm here with Baptiste sauce. Nice, love it. Okay, so can you give me your best? Melissa I'm drunk outside. Okay, so on the count of 3, you're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3.
Melissa! I'm drunk and outside.
Nice. Right, so I'm here with.
Official HXC.
So, have a nice day.
Yeah, love it. Vibes. Everyone's on good vibes. Love it.
Right. So, do you know Melissa I'm drunken outside by Jay Baptiste?
That's fucking cool.
Can you give me your best Melissa I'm drunken outside? 1, 2, 3.
Melissa! I'm drunk and outside. Dun, 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 dun.
My feelings.
I'm here with. How are you?
I'm fine, enjoying the boat party. Jay's is the best boat party in the planet. So if you haven't come to Jay's boat party, you should come to Jay's boat party.
Brilliant advert. Do you know Jay's song, Melissa, I'm Drunk and Outside? Right, okay, on 3, I want you to give me the best Melissa, I'm Drunk and Outside. Okay, you reckon you can do that?
Of course.
1, 2, 3.
Melissa! I'm drunk and outside. Dee-dee-dee-dee.
That's beautiful, right?
Where's the real love, baby? Does it exist?
Okay, so I'm here with Big Doors. How you doing? Yeah, all good, you? Yeah, I'm good. Right, do you know the song Melissa, I'm Drunk and Outside? Of course, man, of course. Right. On 3, can you give me your best version of it? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Melissa, I'm drunk and outside. Yay!
Not to you. When I think of the West Indies, I think of you. You can accomplish anything you want in life. I like whatever is wrong with you. I went to bliss and come back a different man. Somebody take my drink. I look so sexy in this mirror. Melissa, I'm drunk and outside. I'm drunk and outside. The outside, keep moving. See a girl with curly hair and get vexed because she not you. When I think of the West Indies, I think of you. You can accomplish anything you want in life.